Hey guys, it's your girl Kai and I'm back with another IMVU video for you guys. And in today's video, I am going to be shopping. So yeah, a lot of you guys like when I shop on IMVU. And so yeah, and I only got some new subscribers, and y'all probably don't even know what IMVU is, but IMVU is, you know, this. Just watch my old videos and you just find out what it is. But anyway, so I'm gonna be shopping. Let's try on some things, see if I like it. I know I only got 332 credits, but we're just gonna try on it. So when I get more credits, then I'll buy it. So I just put on my wish list. So let's try that on. It's cute. It's cute. Okay. Huh. Oh, okay, girl. Okay. Alright, whatever. Alright, let's see. Oh, and the heels that match with it. Try that on. Baby girl. Oh, let me see this. My leg too fat for it. But it look alright. Or is it my toes too small or something? But it look alright. Nail polish, I like that. Alright, I like that. I like it. Oh, let's try this on. So how y'all been doing? Someone is waving to check. Oh, I said waving. Click to the channel. I can't read. Yeah, I just heard what I just said. Someone is waiting to check. Okay, so who wanna chat with me? Let's go to chat now. Who wanna chat with me? We'll just go there. Okay, let's go back to shop. And let's see what else do we have. Oh wait, I wanna try. Oh yeah, I was looking at this. Oh, this cute. Some I will wear. That's cute. Let's try on this Balenciaga thing. Oh, that's really cute. Except for them heels with it. But it's really cute. Super duper cute. Let's see. Who wanna check? Okay, see, this is what it be doing. It be doing that. Like, okay, whatever. It always do that. That's why I don't be in the chat now and stuff. So, yeah, let's go to the next one, honey. What's this? Hold on now. Which one? Are we gonna try on these Vans? Not with. I'm not saying they match that, but her toes so small. Okay, I like these Vans. Alright. But it's pretty with that, don't it? Ain't it? It's pretty with that. I like that, but I like that. I wonder what happened to all my credits. I forgot what I did. Oh, I bought that outfit. Oh, y'all see my hair right here? Sticking up right there. Alright. It say honey. Okay. This alright, but I don't like it like that. Let's try on these pants. Let's see what we can add on our wish list. Huh. Let me go back. See, I'm gonna add this on my wish list. I'm gonna add that Balenciaga thing on my wish list, and I'm gonna add the Vans, these Vans right here on my wish list because I like it. And I like these ripped jeans too. Oh, look at that booty. Let me see. Put the top on. What top is? It's on top. Really, I can't find the top. Like really, but Thumbnail. It's not thumbnail, y'all. But anyway. So yeah. Oh, I like this. Lip gloss. Oh, I'ma have to put this on my wish list. Am I putting it on my yes. 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 They look so good. Them felines. Feli Female Dark 2018. I like these on her. Oh yeah, I like these on her. I mean, the last was my wish list. Okay. Let's see. All these yellow nails, they cute, they cute. Let's see. Okay, y'all, so I see these Gucci felines. I mean, I don't think they, no, they ain't felines. I don't think they felines, but I like these Gucci shoes. Okay. I think that's Gucci. I don't know. She rock Fendi. I rock Louis. Some old felines. Oh, some forces. Some force. What the word? Some forces. I like them. I need to go shoe shopping for her for real. Like, dead serious. That's probably gonna be in my next video. Going shoe shopping. Yeah, her feet is so small, and her legs are way bigger than her feet. Okay, Fendi swimsuit. I really like these right here. I really like this. I'm going to go. I mean, do that. Add that to my wish list. And I'm gonna add those forces to my wish list. Also. I cannot talk. I got some more forces, but I don't like them. Well, it's the same thing, ain't it? I don't care. Oh, some Gucci slides. I like them. Oh, look, why did? Also, look. And, I mean, I think no Gucci slide. What I'm talking about? Yeah, I'm so crazy. But, ooh, these are so freaking cute. Add that to my wish list. Alright, let's see what else. Cause I'm probably gonna, when I get more credits, I'm probably gonna buy it. Not all of it, but buy some of it. I get more credits. Alright, oh dang, big old booty scaler. I think her booty is big enough. I don't need all that. Look at that. No, you don't need all that, honey. Alright. If you guys want to add me on IMVU, here goes my name. ____. I think that's, no, name. Here go my name, Queen B100, not 1. I mean, not. Oh, I just missed it so bad, y'all. Queen B100, not 00. I just missed it so bad. Anyway. So, oh, this hair. Oh, let me try that on, baby girl. This is so cute. Oh, I don't like that right there. But, girl, let me take off that crown. Oh, there you go. Shop together. Oh, add me so we can shop together, y'all. So y'all can see on the side. But y'all, I thought it was gonna be like better than this, but yeah. Okay, next one. Let's see. Okay, I don't like my money. Okay. She rock Fendi. I rock Louis. There's my back matches. Day one. Okay, I like that. I want the other hair back. Oh, let me try on that top. It's a cute top. Let me try on the pants. Cause these pants right here gotta go. Okay. Okay, this cute. It's cute. But I really want them shoes though, y'all. I really want them shoes. I'm adding these to my wish list. There go to Balenciaga. Go back to the Balenciaga thing. There go Balenciagas, y'all. I'm adding it to my wish list. I was trying to find if I can match that. Yeah. Y'all, if y'all give me this. I mean, not if y'all give me this. If I get this, I'm gonna be like, baby girl. I got a lot of stuff on my wish list. Dang. I don't even remember that. But anyway. Oh, these Balenciagas look so what from forward. I just went, but her, excuse me, her legs are so big because her feet so small. But anyway, yeah. So this gonna be it for this video, guys. Oh, see, I told you I can't control this thing. Okay, anyway. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on the post notifications. So, without further ado, with that being said, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.